Hi guys, this is like my fourth video today, by the way, and also I have this Marvel run. I made a separate video about it about 10 minutes ago, and this video is gonna be about my cats. I'm basically just gonna be showing all my funny cats. What are you doing, Titan? I think he's trying to destroy the Marvel run. I don't really know what you're doing. He's up higher than me, by the way. I can barely reach you. No. You're gonna destroy it? No. What is this? Ah! He tried to fight me.
He's playing that.
Yeah. You're a cute fur baby. Oh, that scared him. Kiki. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, there she is. Keek. My Keek. She loves to meow and talk and meow and just talk.
Kiki, what are you doing?
She likes to run. Oh, that's hilarious. She looks like a chicken. She looks like a chicken right now. It's because of these things. Oh, leave her alone. Maybe in a few minutes I'll come back and try to get her. Titan. Get your butt down from there. No, you're... No. That's all I'm gonna say. No. What are you doing? You're just putting your paw on my finger. He's so goofy. Oh, did you see that? Her name is Kiki. She's a Kiki. Kiki. Oh, she's right here now. Hello there. Oh, she's running. What? Where'd Kiki go? Did y'all see Kiki?
She ran.
Where?
She's under something.
I think she's under the bed. Kiki. I'm sorry if you can't see anything, guys. No Keek. Alright, I will go check on Titan, probably destroying the Marvel run right now. I hope he's not. He's still just sitting there, goofy. You know what? I will give him a toy if I can find one. Let me go find a toy for him real quick. Ah! She scared me. This will do the trick. Y'all will see him playing like crazy. It's always super cute. You want this? What are you doing? He's so cute. You're a funny Kiki. Oh, where's a Kiki? Let me turn this light on.
Babe, I think she's running from you.
Do you see her paws, guys? It's pretty obvious, so you probably should. Sayonara, Kiki. See you in a minute. I wonder what Titan doing with that thingy bob. Oh. He dropped it. I can't believe I caught that on camera. Lol. Here, take it. Oh, he's biting it? He's so cute. Eat. He's trying to take it from me. I just drop it, and he drops it. Are you kidding me? It's my baby. Oh, he's gonna drop it for the. Oh, that was hilarious. By the way, this is probably the last video I'm gonna post for today. So you don't have to check my channel for any other videos like in 10 minutes or something, because this is the last video I'm gonna film for today. Anyways, I hope y'all have an amazing day tomorrow / the rest of today. And also, I probably will be posting videos tomorrow, so stay tuned for the next videos.